Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. From sharing a stage to now being a featured artist on Shaggy's Lovely Day, Thicke is spilling the beans on how the feature came to be. Speaking on Wednesday on Sherry, Thicke revealed how he met the Grammy-winning artist, Shaggy.
Well, we did a performance together. We did a concert at an F1 thing, and then we just talked about, we should do a record together, but a lot of people say that, and then they never actually do a record. But he followed up, he sent me this groove, and he already had his vocals on it. So I'm such a fan of Bill Withers.
Yeah.
But at first when I heard it, I was like, okay, maybe we shouldn't touch this. You don't want to mess with Bill Withers and do it wrong. But his voice just made it sound fresh. It felt like beaches and pina coladas to me. So, and what I liked about it also is that it's a love song, and most of my songs are about love.
Yeah. About love.
So, Mr. Lover, Lover.
That's it.
Mr. Lover, Lover, and Mr. Thicke.
When asked about the working dynamic between the two, Shaggy lauded the American singer's work ethic.
One of the easiest I've ever worked with. It's just, he's on time. You know what I mean? The only other, I would say Sting, because Sting is on time like that too.
Yeah.
But, super, super easy. You know what I mean? And it's been fun so far.
It is.
It has been fun.
Yeah, to where we look forward to even doing more.
Now, still on Shaggy, the It Wasn't Me singer revealed that he was surprised to learn that Michael Jackson was a fan of his 2000 hit track.
I got a call one day from somebody who says Michael Jackson would like to talk to me. I was like, you're right. And it was Michael, and he invited me to the 30th anniversary show at Madison Square Garden.
Right.
I think it's if you're on YouTube, you probably see the clip. Right? And I went there. When I met him, he was like, "Did you write that song?" I was like, "Yeah, sound like something I would write."
Miss Universe Jamaica Dr. Gabrielle Henry still recovering. According to the Jamaica Gleaner, organizers of the Miss Universe Jamaica pageant have confirmed that the 2025 Queen has been released from hospital and is recuperating under the care of her medical team. Now, last November, Dr. Henry suffered a fall through an opening on stage while competing at the Miss Universe competition in Thailand, which resulted in an intracranial hemorrhage with loss of consciousness, a fracture, facial lacerations, and other significant injuries. She was later transported to Jamaica to continue treatment. Now, on the international scene, singer Ray J faces yet another legal challenge. Now, American Express is suing the business mogul, claiming he has more than $78,000 in unpaid debt. This follows an earlier similar lawsuit from the credit card company. Separately, Ray J has been criminally charged for allegedly pulling a gun on his estranged wife, Princess Love, during a live stream. Also, Kim Kardashian and her mother Christina, they're suing him and accusing him of defamation. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.